Hello everyone, welcome to the reading for the 3rd of Feb 2021. It's a beautiful Wednesday and I am sending out an intention to the universe to bring us guidance for all who are on this timeline today. Let's see what the masters have to bring to us. 8 of Pentacles. Beautiful. The card is all about abundance coming our way. Everything that we are working towards, the desire to manifest, is very strong, and the universe is bringing it to us. The 8 of Pentacles is one of the highest, going to the most highest denomination of the coins card or the Pentacles card, talking about abundance coming our way. All that we have invested in is now, all the work that you have done is now going to fructify into bringing you lots of abundance. Everything that your heart desires is coming your way. 8 of Abundance is a very joyous card of satisfaction, of content, and knowing that it is all the seeds that you have sowed are now going to reap and bring you the bountiful blessings of the universe. Amazing, beautiful card for the day from the tarot deck. Let's see what card comes from the Archangel's Oracle. Let's see what guidance do they have for us for today. Courage. Who needs to hear this? All of us need that internal courage, right? That courage to take that step. That courage is always required to move forward. So the message on the card is Archangel Ariel, and she is beautiful. Again, someone who helps us with abundance. Archangel Ariel says, be courageous and stand up for your beliefs. Yes, whatever you believe in is rightful for you. Whatever you believe in, whatever your intuition is guiding you to do, go by that. Listen to your intuition. You are courageous. The strength lies within you. So whoever needs the help from archangels, call for Archangel Ariel and she will be happy to help you with that internal courage that is required to take that step forward, whatever it is that you are wanting to move ahead with. Beautiful card. And see, you can see a peeping face of the lion out there, saying that the courage lies within you, isn't it? It's amazing. There's a pair of lions there. Lovely card for the day. Again, thank you, archangels, for bringing us this guidance. And the last card is from the Butterflies Oracle deck, which is all about transformation. So let's see what step we need to take for that transformation to happen. You know, now with the energy right now, transformation is the key. Change is the only constant. Each one of us has to transform each day of our life, because that's the only way to grow and evolve. So let's see what they have to tell us. Leaving. So what does it require for us to do? Leave all that does not serve our highest good, that does not serve or contribute at all to our life anymore. It is time for that to go. It is time for us to release it. It is time for us to be okay with someone or something leaving us. It's also asking us to declutter. Let it all go. Do not hold on to anyone or anything, and you will transform. It's not just about the black and white. Life is to be full of colors. Life is supposed to be healing. It's also about the healing heart, because it's a beautiful reddish pink flower that is right here, the rose that's right here. The message that they are giving through this card to me right now is to tell each one who's on this timeline that sit down and see what needs to be released from your aura, from your space, from your life, from your circle, and let it go. Angels are going to help you, because that is the sign of transformation. That is the step that needs to be taken for the next moving forward, and the next growth or evolution, or your movement forward to happen, for that transformation that you're waiting for. That just that one step of letting go and letting people leave, letting things move out of your space and your aura will lead you to a healing heart and to bringing in the prosperity forward. So yes, sit, think, write down what it is that you need to let go of from your life, and let it happen. Be at ease, be in allowance, be assured that everything in your life is going to be full of harmony. That's what it is all about. Your life right now is where it had to be. This is the choice you had made. It was meant to be here. So you are at the right place, right time. The divine is always guiding us. There is always divine plan, divine timing. All we need to do is surrender and be in allowance. Be in allowance, let it all go. Find the courage within you, and if need be, ask your guardian angels and masters to help you with sorting out whatever it is that needs to be faced. Do not procrastinate anymore, and know that all that you sow, you shall reap. This is all about bringing in beautiful, bountiful abundance and prosperity for you. So, with that, I leave you to have a very, very magical day today. Be the magic, spread the magic, be the light, and shine upon everyone whose life you touch today. And I shall see you soon. Take care.